Guys, welcome to my video. Today we're doing an unboxing video. In the first one, it shows you the first one you got because we got the figures which are covered in foils, and you can see right here. Now it's time to unbox them. You're wondering why we're in a different house. It's because I live right next to my grandma, so my dad decided to do it next door, right next to our house. So let's open it. Okay. First, I think we're gonna need help opening the front. So get somebody to help you, because this will be hard to get out yourself. Okay, my dad got it all fixed out. You just have to pull the plastic out like this. Oh, my phone! Then let's see what the first one is inside. Can I put this one in here? Sometimes I have to use my my hands and my teeth to open it, and I didn't know what we got. We got ghosts. Oh, we got Milky. Okay, we got Milky and Boxy. Okay.
Show the camera.
So we got Milky right here. Milky milk, Milky milk, Milky Milky milk. And today's Halloween, so yay! And Milky is a normal one because at the back you can see my Pokemon. Okay. Pokemon. Sometimes you have to find like a line to open it up. Oh, we got Rocky. Okay, it's the minifigs. They're minifigs. So we got Rocky. I'm going to show the camera. And my dad's doing this on the phone. It's Rocky. Rocky! Okay, he just exploded out because that was a pretty hard one. Milk. We got... This is ultra rare! This is ultra rare! Guys, I'm panicking right now. Look it, it's Cyborg Foxy. This is an ultra rare. We got an ultra rare. Guys, we got an ultra rare. That's why I'm freaking out. We got an ultra rare.
This guy right here?
Yeah, that's an ultra rare.
Show me him.
He's an ultra rare, Dad. He's a ultra rare. I was so surprised. That's our first ultra rare. Guys, okay. Now open the second one. Actually, the fourth, the third one. Okay, I lost track. But we got Dick Shark. Dick Shark. Let's see. Yep, he's the normal ones. And here's Dick Shark with his little cute tail. Oh, I dropped him. But we still got one ultra. Okay. Oh, we got something in here. Another ultra rare Foxy. Guys, I'm freaking out right now. We got 2 ultra rare Foxies. And okay. Now I was surprised there's something in there already. Oh, we haven't opened this one. We have to open this one. Ooh. Oh, a Foxy, a normal Foxy. Oh. Sorry. Okay. Is there any more? Okay, that's it. But I need to show you something, guys. Do you know why my hat says Captain? I made a Titanic costume, and it took 7 days. So, It took like 7 days to make, and annoying my sister right there. And at night we're gonna go trick or treating because we got this at Walmart, and I don't know how we got two of these. I don't know, but bye guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.